In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search text inside a PDF printout. By the end, you'll be able to drop a PDF onto a OneNote page and quickly find any word or phrase inside it, even if the PDF was originally just an image. First, let's get the PDF into OneNote the right way. Open the page where you want the document to live, then go to the Insert tab and choose File Printout. Select your PDF and confirm. Instead of adding it as a simple attachment, OneNote will place each page of the PDF as an image directly on your page. That's exactly what we want. A printout makes the content visible and lays the groundwork for text recognition. If your PDF has multiple pages, you'll see them stacked in order. You can drag to reposition a page or resize it if needed, but don't worry about formatting too much right now. Next, give OneNote a little time to recognize the text. In the modern OneNote app, printouts are processed on Microsoft servers using optical character recognition, or OCR. That means OneNote scans the images and extracts the text it sees so you can search it later. This happens automatically in the background. Depending on the size of your PDF and your connection, it can take a few minutes. Larger or heavily scanned PDFs might take longer. During this window, it's normal for searches to return no results, even if the word is clearly on the page. Just let it finish. You don't need to click anything. Simply keep the notebook open and give it a moment. Once indexing has had time to complete, you're ready to search. Press Ctrl+F to open the search box on the page. Then type the word or phrase you want to find. OneNote will jump to the first match it recognized in the printout and highlight it on the image. Use the arrow controls or press Enter to move through each occurrence. Try distinctive words for faster results, and if you're not seeing what you expect, consider that indexing might still be in progress, or the original scan quality could be limiting what OCR can read. Zooming in can make highlights easier to spot, especially on dense pages. That's all there is to it. Insert the PDF as a file printout, wait for OneNote to finish OCR in the background, and then use Ctrl+F to quickly locate the text you need. With this simple workflow, your PDFs become truly searchable and far easier to work with inside OneNote.